Hello students, let's discuss plasma membrane fluid mosaic model. This model was given by Singer and Nicholson, and they explained that model is a protein iceberg in the sea of lipids. So they also assumed that plasma membrane is consists of proteins and phospholipids. Proteins are alpha globulin in structure and they are extrinsic and intrinsic. And here extrinsic meaning attached to the phospholipid heads and they are loosely attached. And intrinsic meaning is partially or completely embedded in the phospholipids bilayer membrane. So if we consider this phospholipids is amphipathic in nature. So head will be hydrophilic and tail will be hydrophobic. So here the phospholipids show two kind of movement. One is transition movement and one is flip-flop membrane movement. Transition movement means they will move through same layer, and flip-flop model means they will move in between two layers. One is upper layer, one is lower layer. And here the phospholipids bilayer tails will be faced in each other and heads are away from each other. And van der Waals forces is also present in this case also, and protein is trying, and they explain their membrane as protein, phospholipid and protein, but they mean that this structure is tri-layer in structure. So we will draw according to them. So let's see proteins, phospholipids, they are phospholipids, air, phospholipids, this is protein and this is also protein. They explain that protein are globular in nature, here we can see, and they are phospholipids. So I mentioned there in that phospholipids show two kind of movement. One is transition movement and one is flip-flop model. Transition movement means one will move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will move through one this way. Mane one if 4 phospholipid will move to in two place in the same layer, but in flip-flop model they can move through this, from B can move to 2 position and 2 can move to B position. This model, this kind of movement is called as flip-flop movement. So I have mentioned that proteins are intrinsic and extrinsic in nature. It is the extrinsic protein and extrinsic protein this kind, right? So you can see that fat molecule can easily pass through it, like in sandwich model they also pass through it, unit membrane model they also pass through it, and this model also they will fluid mosaic, according to fluid mosaic model also fat molecule will also pass through it. But water molecule we can see here, if water molecule pass through it, they will move through this protein, through extrinsic protein. Here we can say that extrinsic protein can act as a channel protein. They will act as a channel protein, they will pass water through it, right? So in first condition, besides in earlier in two models water molecule cannot pass through it, but in fluid mosaic model water can pass through it. And earlier in model we saw that that plasma membrane is rigid in nature, but we can see here that is it is dynamic in nature. That is in flip-flop movement this protein can move to here and this can move to here. This is in flip-flop model, a flip-flop movement. So according to them that plasma membrane is dynamic in nature. So here we can see that is protein and phospholipid ratio, that is we can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, protein is 5 and phospholipids are also 5. It also, so the protein and phospholipid in variable in nature, that is it follows 3 assumption we have made, that is fat molecule and water molecule can pass through it, protein and phospholipids are variable in nature, and and plasma membrane in dynamic in nature. So this is about the fluid mosaic model. Hope you understood. Please let me know. Thank you.